Imagine a world where your phone's wallet outsmarts banks. Welcome to the crypto revolution. But does this digital cool kid spell trouble for traditional money? Let's dive in. Hey friends, today we're unwrapping the mystery of cryptocurrency. It's more than just digital dollars. It's a financial game changer. Crypto's not just for techies anymore. In 2023, it's mainstream. Businesses are on board. Transforming money handling, it's quicker, cheaper, and reaches places banks can't. But here's the kicker. Crypto isn't just another currency. It's shaking the very foundations of traditional banking, stirring up some serious debate. Governments and big financial players are scrambling to catch up. They're tackling regulations, especially after some major hiccups in the crypto world. Globally, it's a mixed bag. Some countries are embracing crypto, others are treading cautiously, mindful of their own financial systems. Crypto's more than money. It's opening up financial services to everyone, but it's not all smooth sailing. There are risks of scams and security issues. As we peel back the layers, we see the complexities. Risks like fraud and hacking are redefining our old-school money mindset. Reacting to this, world leaders are crafting rules that strike a balance between safety and the innovative spirit of crypto. Let's spice things up with real-life crypto tales. Meet Eric Finman, a teenager who turned $1,000 into millions with Bitcoin, or Roger Ver, who hit the jackpot by investing early in Bitcoin startups. Then there's Cooper Turley, who saw Ethereum's potential and made a fortune in decentralized finance. From virtual entertainment in Australia, where online casinos prefer crypto for hassle-free transactions, to major brands like Whole Foods and Starbucks accepting crypto payments, it's reshaping industries. And guess what? You can even travel the world using crypto, with companies like Expedia accepting Bitcoin. So, is cryptocurrency the future of finance, or a challenge for the old guard? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more tech and finance insights. Catch you next time when we decode blockchain. Stay curious.